Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible topic that has captivated the minds of scientists and science fiction enthusiasts for decades. Brace yourself, because we're about to explore the fascinating concept of falling into a wormhole. Exciting visuals of wormholes appear on screen. Picture this. You're floating through space, minding your own business, when suddenly, you stumble upon a mysterious, swirling portal. Before you know it, you're pulled into what appears to be a wormhole. But what exactly is a wormhole, and what happens if you fall into one? Let's find out. Wormholes are hypothetical tunnels that connect two separate points in space-time, acting as shortcuts through the vast cosmic expanse. Imagine bending a sheet of paper and punching a hole through it. That's the basic concept of a wormhole. But falling into a wormhole isn't your typical roller coaster ride. It's a journey through the great unknown, with mind-boggling consequences. Visuals transition to depict the curvature of space-time. As you enter the space-time labyrinth, the first thing you'll notice is the extreme bending of space-time itself. Wormholes are formed when space and time are curved so severely that they intersect, creating a shortcut between two widely separated areas of the universe. But what does this mean for someone falling into a wormhole? Screen transitions to an animated representation of falling into a wormhole. Well, first, let's talk about the incredible force that accompanies this interdimensional voyage. As you enter the wormhole, you'll experience mind-bending gravitational forces, pulling and pushing you in various directions as you traverse the tunnel. Screen switches to a visualization of the destination point. Once you've withstood these intense forces, you'll emerge at the other end of the wormhole. But where will you end up? Will it be another corner of our universe, a different galaxy, or even another point in time? The truth is, we don't know. Wormholes still remain purely theoretical, and our current understanding of physics doesn't provide a definitive answer. However, scientists and theorists have proposed some mind-blowing possibilities. Some believe that a wormhole might offer a shortcut to other regions of space within our own universe, greatly reducing travel time. Meanwhile, others theorize that wormholes could connect entirely different universes or even different points in time. Can you imagine the endless possibilities of exploration and discovery? Exciting visuals and graphics of intergalactic travel. But hold on a second. Before you start planning your intergalactic vacation, there's still one major challenge: the stability of these cosmic tunnels. Screen transitions to a scientific simulation of a destabilizing wormhole. Wormholes are incredibly volatile and prone to collapsing upon contact with even the smallest amount of matter or energy. And let's not forget about the mind-bending effects of intense gravitational forces, which could have disastrous consequences for any traveler. So, while the idea of falling into a wormhole sounds thrilling, it's essential to remember that the physics and feasibility behind these cosmic wormholes are still purely theoretical. Screen transitions to final thoughts. In conclusion, falling into a wormhole remains a tantalizing, mind-bending concept, one that has captivated scientists and science fiction lovers for years. Although the actual experience and destination are yet to be determined, the potential for intergalactic travel and exploration is exhilarating. That's all we have for today's adventure into the unknown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating, mind-expanding content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.